You guys, I forgot to do a freaking intro for like this whole video. But yes. Hi, hello, how are you? But hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, stay till the end. It gets funny. It gets funny. Just keep watching. I'm gonna be putting today's daily verse right over here somewhere so you guys can read it. I'll put it up in the beginning and I'll put it at the end. So yes, see you at the end of today's video, and like I said, don't forget to like this video. Work outfit, black jeans, black shirt, scrunchie just in case it gets hot, because it gets hot. But yeah, just gonna go to work. See you there. Hey guys, so I decided to do a morning shift video just because it was easier and it was just by myself and I felt like more inclusive to do this. So we're just gonna do a morning video today. So we're just gonna start by getting into the store, you know, unlocking this gate that's right here that, like, you know, surrounds the register areas. Hey, oh baby, love me, hey, 'cause I love I cannot buy it. Was I real? After that, I'm going to turn on these two front computers that are for customer use, so you know they can wake up, turn on the TV that we have here, make sure it's on so I can know the time, turn on the printer, turn on all 4 registers. I know I'm going super fast, I'm sorry. And then turn on register 1, which is always a pain in the butt, but you know, we have to do like this weird thing and then hope it works on the first restart. This is just a glimpse of what I do in the morning. It's not the whole thing, but my video. It's just, this is it.
Several days later.
Hey guys. I just got back from work and I wanted to do a little unboxing part in this vlog. But yes, I just wanted to show you my Trend Mood box because I got it in today in the mail. It's currently the next day. This vlog is gonna be really extended, but like not extended making it long, but just like everywhere is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, if you want to see more vlogs, just let me know. So I'm just gonna shower real quick and I'll be right back with a little unboxing.
A few moments later.
Me thinking I'm cute. So we have a mess here. We have an unmade bed here. But that's just life. Okay, I forgot to do the unboxing like right after I showered, like I said previously. But I had to eat. So we're here now. We ate. Hair's dried. We're looking like trash, but you know, that's life. So, y'all like my Dora blanket though? But what's it called? The moment y'all been waiting for. Trend. Little thumbnail. Okay, so we're just gonna open this up. First of all, the box is purple. Like, regardless what's in this package, I really love the box. Like, Trend Mood has done a lot of like videos with like, not videos, like collabs or like branded with like other big brands, but this one she did it with Good Molecule. Good Molecule. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but I'm gonna put it right here. And this box was only $32 and it had like a variety. It had a bunch of stuff from that brand. So I was like, I've never tried this brand. I heard good stuff about it. I watched a video of Maria Gloria that said that this was really good. So I was like, bet. And then like, we're here. You and me together right here, right now. We're gonna do this. Okay. Okay, let's do it again. So first of all, like, packaging in and out is cute. There is a total of 6 full-size products for $32. Oh, that weirdness that just came out of my mouth. I am sorry. We're gonna start up with the lineup. So this is the Good Molecule. Good Molecules, not molecule. Molecule. This is the pineapple exfoliating powder. You can use this AM or PM. I love how it says that because, you know, there's certain products you can only use throughout the day, only certain products you can use throughout the night. But this is both. But packaging is cute. Basic, but cute. Oh, I thought it was going to be taller. It's... She's glass. Oh, she fancy. Oh, like, okay, you can see the powder. Duh, you can see the powder because it's powder. But it's like sealed. I don't want to open it until I use it. This is just an unboxing. I'm just taking everything out of the box. This is not a review. This is an unboxing. Okay, next item we have silicone-free priming moisturizer. Ooh. This is AM and PM as well. This has a pH of 6.2, and this says the directions: gently massage onto cleansed skin when using sunscreen. Let priming moisturizer fully absorb before applying, suitable for daily use. And it says this formula is free from silicones. Why do I talk like that? Mineral oils, fragrances, alcohols, and PEGs. Period. Oh, she cute. Okay, it has a pump. So we're already 2 products in, and this is $30. And how much did I waste? I wasted $32. You see how good this box is. So sometimes they have a variation of makeup, skincare, or sometimes makeup and skincare, or sometimes they have like a whole collab with this whole brand, but sometimes they have a mix of other brands with them. But this time it was just this brand. So 2 products, already $30, and I got it for the value of $32, which I think is pretty damn neat. I keep looking this way, the camera's over here. It was pretty damn neat. So next we have the this is niacinamide brightening toner. I'm pretty sure I butchered that beyond its point. This is a toner. AM, PM as well. Direction: dispense onto a cotton pad and gently sweep over clean skin. Can also be dispensed into palms and patted onto skin until fully absorbed. Suitable for daily use. I'm comfortable. I'm good. Whoa, wow. She thick. So that the second one I did, the priming moisturizer, was in a plastic bottle. This is glass. She sounds expensive. You hear that? That's how expensive sounds. Okay. Proceeding. This is a discoloration correcting serum. I got that. This is formulated with cetyl. I am not going to try to pronounce any of these things right under here, but this is AM PM. It has a pH of 5.5. This one, apply on cleansed skin, allow to fully absorb before applying additional serums, facial oils, or moisturizers, suitable for daily use. I'm excited for this. Oh, she's got a nip. Bro. Glass. You hear that? This one doesn't have much of a jiggle. I don't feel like I was supposed to shake that. I should probably be smelling these products. Okay, yeah, I don't want to smell that one. Like, I'm a sucker for good smells. This smells like butt. Bro, my nose is itchy. It's probably this. Okay, this smells kind of weird, but you know, I somehow trust it. It's the sound for me. Next, this one. Oh, this one is a yerba mate wake up eye gel. Yerba mate, like, if you don't know what yerba mate is by now, leave. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I need the views. She's in those packaging. Like, if you touch them, or like if you just like go like this, it's dented. See, I already dented this. But she's in those packaging that the Summer Fridays brand is always like in. But this also gives me like flashbacks to that one brand of Vitacelina or something like that. Is that what it's called? If I find the picture, I'll put it right here. But this is what it reminds me of, and it's super cold. This one says pH of 5.2. Apply small amount under the eyes on the orbital bone. On the orbital bone and massage outwards. Gently pat in excess until gel cream is fully absorbed. Can be used underneath makeup. Avoid direct eye contact. You heard? I learned a fancy new phrase today. Fancy 2 new words. Orbital bone. Orbital bone. Orbital bone. I'm just gonna type in mierda. A ver qué pasa. Oh, this one's only $6. It's a good deal. It's a good deal. Cool. So we're at 62. Okay. Ooh, I love hyaluronic acid in my products. So this is just your basic old hyaluronic acid serum. And I love that. Formulated to draw moisture into the skin for deeper hydration. Point blank and period. Alright, this one's a pH of 5.6 AM or PM. Apply a few drops in the morning and at night before oils and moisturizers. Let absorb for 30 seconds. Suitable for daily use. It has a nip too. But this is what she looks like. Hey, and then last product. This is a Hydrate and Cleanse Bar soap-free cleansing bar formulated with squalane, shea butter, and honey to help maintain a hydrated complexion for all skin types. But it's like indented with their little logo right there. That's cute. Besides that, it's just a basic bar of soap just to cleanse your face. And yeah. So the grand total. So if you were to pay separately for all these items on their Good Molecule website. Sorry. Okay, so it would have been $76 if you paid online on their website for each separate item before tax. I feel like this box was a very good deal for the price. I mean, $32, and you get to try out all these products. If you want to rebuy them, you will. If you don't, you don't. But yeah, going backwards. I already forgot the order this was all in, but yeah. So we had the cleansing bar, we had the hyaluronic acid, we had the yerba mate eye cream, we had the discoloration serum, we had the toner, we had the silicone-free priming moisturizer, and the pineapple exfoliating primer for $32. It's worth the price, but is it worth the hype? I don't know. I have not tried any of these products before, but I will be trying them out. I will be posting like a video on my Instagram, and you'll know if I like them or not. So if you want to go see that, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be right here, and then I'll put a video. I don't know if this video is gonna go up first or after. I really don't know when this is gonna go up, but I'm pretty sure it will go up. I mean, you'll know when it goes up because you'll see me here. But yeah. So if you want more videos like this, just let me know by liking this video, subscribing, make sure you turn the post notifications on so you get notified when I post a video. Okay? And here is your daily verse. Right there. I don't know, it's gonna be somewhere right here. But yes, stay safe and stay blessed, and you guys have a good rest of the year. But yes, bye guys.